we haven't even mentioned. He thinks of them and puts them in his sentences, makes them really interesting. And he was also spotted helping others without being asked. Not just once, not twice, but a few times. This person's name is, drumroll is getting Now, one of his fantastic sentences we've been learning, we were amazed. And then there was another one, another adjective he used to describe one of the characters in our books, wintry. Because the character looked like he was cold and blue and wintry. It was very clever, so well done.
What do you want to do now? Do you want to put your mum and dad, are they wanting to do that thing, or do you rather do that